so you can watch it and you want to learn about a volcano.
Have a large audience.
All right. How are you today? So why are we here? Okay, you can put the volcano.
Okay. In this pan there are dinosaurs, there's sand, there are some trees, and we're going to see what happens. We're going to pretend that they're still living in this.
What is this?
The dinosaurs.
No. Just see the volcano. Okay, so we have some dinosaurs, we have some plants. So you've been studying the dinosaurs, no? And you know what happened with the dinosaurs? Are they still around?
No. They died?
Where are they?
In the sky. In the museum.
In the sky? That's partially true. Because the birds
are in the museum.
The birds are in the sky, and the birds are coming from the dinosaurs.
And the bones are in the museum. You never saw.
You know what? I'm going to do some jumping tricks.
Okay.
Just to warm up.
No.
Okay? So, we're going to start with one ball. Okay? That's easy, no? One ball. Two balls. It's also very easy, no? Two balls, two hands, that's kind of easy. Three balls, three hands, it's very easy. Who has three hands? I do have three hands. Yes, look. Three balls, three hands.
Wow, good juggling!
Now we're going to do tricks. It's going to be some very amazing tricks. This is I call the anti-gravitatory ball. It's a ball that actually is floating. Alright? And you're going to see how the ball floats, okay? So this is just regular stuff. Hey. Yes.
Daddy's good at that. Look at it juggling, Noah.
Applause. Come on. Oh, the dinosaur is also very excited about the juggling. Okay, and now, can you believe it? How many balls do you have here? Three, and which color is that? Alright.
Have you seen this show before, Diego?
Okay, so let's try to make with the four balls. I need some help from you, okay? No. Just I need some help in the meaning that you have to say, go! Jorge, go!
Jorge, go!
Go! Jorge, go! Okay?
Go, Jorge,
And
go!
some drums, maybe.
Come on.
1, 2, go!
Go, Jorge, go! Go, Jorge, go! Go, Jorge, go!
Yes, it's
Go,
possible.
Jorge, go! Go, Jorge, go! Go, Jorge, go! Yay!
Four balls. Okay, I think now we are ready for the volcano. Okay, so now you have to come closer. And what is this? Okay, it really looks like tomato sauce, but it's not.
Paint! No, it's not paint, it's lava!
It's fake lava. You know that? Okay, so let's see if we can make some volcano eruption, alright? We're gonna put these magic ingredients. Alright, so now this is another magic ingredient. What is it? Okay, it's not water. It looks like water, but it's not water. So nothing looks like, nothing really is what it looks like. Hmm? Actually, it's vinegar. Alright, so now we're gonna go for the real thing for the volcano, alright? And now I also need some contributors. Some drums. Volcano 1, Volcano 2, ready, go! Wow! And the poor little thing is soaking. Exploding, but it's just flowing lava out and flowing and flowing lava out. Stay back. Everybody staying in this place.
Go back to your spots. Go back to your spots. Come on. Sit down.
Okay, so these volcanoes, they do not explode. They just flow lava out. This is like in Hawaii. In Hawaii, the volcanoes are like this. They just keep flowing and flowing and flowing, and the lava goes for kilometers. Can you believe that? Amazing. But I have prepared another volcano. Alright? The same stuff. Same stuff. Okay.
Caleb, no more playing with the wood.
So now we're gonna try to do an exploding volcano. It's more dangerous.
Connor, sit back, okay?
Now we are going to replace this
Sit on your bottom, buddy.
nice volcano. Very nice. Hey, where are you? All right. Sit back, sit back.
There you go.
Okay, we're going to put it here, right?
Oh, there you go.
Now he became a fossil. Alright? Alright, so now we're gonna try to do an exploding volcano. Everybody? So we have the same magic stuff, the tomato like, which actually is not tomato. We're gonna put it in. Alright, also we have, what was it?
Vinegar.
Vinegar! It's vinegar.
Need my muscles?
Alright, so now we're gonna try to do an exploding volcano, but it's the same lava, the same compound, just everything the same. But now there is a big difference. Before we have a very open mouth, big open wide mouth, all right? So the lava could flow out. But now look at that, we have a big mouth. No. How is it? It's a little one. The same happens with the volcanoes. When they have a small opening, the lava cannot flow freely like it's flowing here. So now let's see what happens when we put the magic ingredient vinegar. And we need some help again. Okay? Some drums, please. 1, 2, 3, go! You see now,
Baca.
it's the same. And the dinosaurs are dead, poor guys. They are here. So, what is this? This is baking soda with water and some soap. And the red stuff is red dye. So that's the red. The tomato sauce is made out of baking powder, water, and red dye, and some soap. And the white stuff, the red is dye. It's red dye. And the white is vinegar. And that's it. I don't have more volcanoes. That's all. One last thing I want to do with all of you. Now I need some more of the paper towels. I know it's not the 4th of July, but we're going to make some fireworks to finish the show. Yeah. Do you know fireworks?
Look up in the sky. This time
Do you know what fireworks are? Yes? Okay, so for the fireworks, they are not, for the teachers, these fireworks are totally non-explosive. They are okay, they are totally safe, alright? Also, I need help from everybody, from young people to not so young people. Everybody, that woman over there, over there, everybody. We need everybody helping. Also the little kids, alright? And we're going to do some very, very nice fireworks. It's very simple. You only, Mr. Mike, I also need you to help. No, can you, we all need to have our knees and your hands free. Alright? Because that's the way we're going to do the fireworks. Alright? So it's very simple.
Just listen.
Sorry? We are going to make some fireworks sound. That is true. So it's very simple. You just need to do what I do.
Okay.
Alright? Everybody. Everybody's doing exactly the same thing as I do. Okay, we're going to make a try. So if I do like that, what do you do? Everybody?
Pay attention, Caleb, Connor.
Wiggly. Okay, I think you are doing good. Alright, we are ready. So the fireworks, everybody. Just do what I do.
No, girl. You're gonna sit down here. I want to
Oh! That was the fireworks. More fireworks? Stronger! We need to do it very strong. Oh! And that's the end of the show.